Hi children, a warm good morning to you all. Last class we have seen what are acids and what are bases and their natural sources. Some acids are present naturally there in some of the materials there, and bases are present there, some of the cleaning agents that you know. Okay, now we are moving to our present topic, that is indicators. Children, have you heard the term indicators there? I know you might have heard it, isn't it? Where did you hear that word indicator? Yes, it is in vehicles. Why we are using that indicators in vehicles? Why do we use it? Yes, it is to show the direction of movement. If we are turning to left side, we will on the left side indicator. If we are turning to right side, we will turn on that right side indicator. So, indicator shows our direction of movement. Which direction we are turning, that is indicated by this indicator signal. Okay. Same way in chemistry also there are indicators. Indicators will give a particular color when in contact with acidic substance, or otherwise if they are in contact with basic substances, that time also they will produce some color. So we can say that indicators are special type of materials which produces color when in contact with acids or bases. Okay. So, indicators produce color in acidic and basic medium. Acidic and basic medium. The color produced in acidic medium will not be the color produced by the same material in basic medium. Indicators will produce different colors in acidic and basic medium. Okay. And this indicators are classified into two. We can say that there are natural indicators and artificial indicators. Indicators are classified into two: natural indicators and artificial indicators. Okay. Last class when we saw the properties of acids and bases, I have introduced the one term, that is litmus. So, litmus is such an indicator. Okay. Litmus is an indicator which show a particular color in acidic medium and another color in basic medium. So, the presence of acids and bases are indicated by a class of materials which are known as indicators. Okay. Now, we can say that there are two types of indicators, natural indicators and artificial indicators. And in that natural indicators, we can see different examples for this natural indicators. Natural indicators examples are this: litmus is a natural indicator. Then turmeric is another natural indicator. China rose is another natural indicator. Okay, litmus, turmeric and China rose. Whereas artificial indicators means two indicators we are seeing there, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Methyl orange. These are two artificial indicators. Okay. So, indicators are the substances which show color changes towards the acidic or basic medium, and that indicators are divided into two, the natural indicators and artificial indicators. Natural indicators, different examples are the litmus, turmeric, China rose. Then artificial indicators, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. Now we can see about litmus. Litmus is obtained from a small plant, that is lichen. Litmus is obtained from lichen. So, lichens are giving us a colored material which are known as litmus, and this litmus is available in two different forms. Litmus is available in paper form as well as in liquid form. Okay. From the lichen, if we are extracting that, adding warm water and we are extracting that, we will get a solution that will be litmus solution. Solution will be violet in color. Litmus solution will be violet color. Okay. And also it is available in paper. Litmus paper, we can see two types of litmus paper, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. And blue litmus paper. Red litmus and blue litmus. Either it is available either in the form of paper or as a liquid. So, if it is available in the form of a paper, we can see that red litmus paper like this. I will show you. This is the red litmus paper. Okay. And this is blue litmus paper. Okay. Red and blue color will be there. Clear? And it is also available in the form of litmus solutions, red litmus solution and blue litmus solution. It is also available in the form of red and blue litmus solutions. Okay. Now we can see what is the color generated for this litmus when it is in contact with an acid. When this material is in contact with an acid, that litmus is in contact with an acid, what we can see there? See, do you observe this color? This is blue color and this is acid, sulfuric acid. So, I am putting a drop of the acid into this and you can observe the color produced there. This is the red color. This is the blue litmus paper will change to red in color when in contact with acids. Okay. So, now you understood. Okay. Litmus is an indicator which shows color change when in contact with the acid. Blue litmus, in acids, blue litmus will change to red. Okay. Then if it is in contact with a base, then what will happen? Yes, if it is in contact with a base, red litmus will be changing to blue color. That also we can see. This is red in color and this is sodium hydroxide, which is a base. And if you are keeping the base on this red litmus paper, you can see the color change. Okay. Clear? See, this is the color change for this red litmus paper when in contact with bases. Okay. In acid, blue will be changing to red and in base, red will be changing to blue. Okay. So, that is the color of litmus in basic solution. In bases, that red litmus will change into blue color. Okay. So, you understood litmus. Okay, litmus is an indicator which shows color change when in contact with acidic or basic medium, and litmus is available in two forms, either in liquid form or in paper form. We have seen the litmus papers there. If the litmus papers are in contact with the bases, red is contacting with the bases, blue color will be produced there, and blue is in contact with the acids, the red color will be produced. Okay, clear? Okay, now we can see some other natural indicators like turmeric. Have you, the turmeric is used in our dishes for making the dishes and all, we are using the turmeric powder. Okay, so this is a paper which I have applied a turmeric paste. I have made a turmeric paste and applied on this paper. Okay, so what is the color of this turmeric? Yes, turmeric is a natural indicator and the color of turmeric is yellow. Turmeric is yellow colored material. Okay, and in acid, what will be its color? We can see that what will be the color of that material in acid. Once again, we can take that acid, 2-3 drops of acid, we can pour into this yellow colored material. If you see any change there, did you see any change there? No, it is that is because it became wet. Okay, only that it is still remaining as yellow. So, in turmeric, in acids, it will be same color yellow. Okay, it will have the same color yellow. But when it is in contact with a base, what will be the color change, or is there any color change? That also we can observe. Okay, now we can see the color change with a base. Okay, again I am taking that base, the sodium hydroxide base, and again I am pouring that base over here. What is the color change you are observing? Yes, very good color change you could observe there, isn't it? Yes, you can see a color change there. What is happening there? Yes, that yellow has changed into red color, right? So, when turmeric is another natural indicator, when in contact with the bases, turmeric when in contact with the bases, it will change the color to red. Normally, it has that yellow color. In acid also will be the same color, but when in contact with the bases, it will appear as red. The same thing you might have observed then when you are eating something, if some curry is spilled over the dress materials and all which contain the turmeric, and if you are washing it with soap or detergent, that yellow will be changing to red. But after washing that, we will wash it with plenty of water. Washing with soap, we will rinse it with plenty of water. During that time, all the basic content will be removed. So, the color will again come back to yellow color, that we can see. Okay, so turmeric is also another natural indicator which shows color change, but in acid medium there is no color change, it has its same color yellow, but in bases it has the color change yellow to red. Okay, then we can see another natural indicator, that is China rose. How to prepare this China rose? China rose is another natural indicator. How to prepare this China rose indicator? We can take some water and we can put some petals of this China rose indicator there. After that, we can warm it, or we can add warm water to that China rose petals and keep it for some time. Okay, after some time the solution, that liquid will have some color, and filter that solution and we can use it as indicator. That is actually China rose indicator. Taking some petals of China rose and putting it into the warm water and keeping it for some color, so that the liquid will gain a particular color. Okay, this China rose is another natural indicator, and that produces a particular color in acidic medium. In acids, this will produce, it will produce a dark pink or magenta color. Dark pink or magenta color will be generated by this China rose. Dark pink or magenta color will be produced when this China rose indicator is contacting with this acids. When in contact with the bases, this China rose indicator will produce a green color. So, China rose indicator has a color, pink color or magenta color in acidic medium and green color in basic medium. So, these are the natural indicator. 3 natural indicators we are seeing in this chapter. Litmus. Litmus is obtained from lichens. It is available in liquid, violet liquid color, and also red litmus, blue litmus solutions are available, and it is also available there in the paper form, that is red litmus and blue litmus paper. When in contact with acids, blue litmus paper will be changing into red color, and when in contact with the bases, red litmus paper will change its color to blue. And the second natural indicator we have seen there is turmeric, and the turmeric has a yellow color, and in acid it will remain the same color, and bases it will show the color changing to red. And China rose is another natural indicator. Acids it will produce magenta color, whereas in bases it will produce green color. Okay, hope you understood this much. Thank you, children.